Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. We're in my studio today. I reorganized my studio. As you can see, I love how it's looking. Today we're doing a Aritzia try on haul, and in this haul I did a lot of basics. I wanted to get some pieces that were good quality that would last me for a long time. I don't know where to look. Here, this shirt is one of them. It's probably my favorite, so that's why I decided to film the intro in it. But if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and keep watching. This one is just basically an essential type tee. It's cropped and it's really cute. The material is soft and it's very pretty pink. I also got it with a stain on it, it seems like. This is my first time trying it on, so I'm like, hello, why are you stained? But aside from the stain, it's really cute. This one is in extra small. Okay, so I kind of went on a rampage with these Babaton bodysuits. I got multiple bodysuits, okay, because I'm obsessed with them, and it has the nicest material. It's like so stretchy. It fits you perfectly. I got them all in extra, extra small. My one note is that if you're extra, extra small, please be like 5 feet to order these, because I realized I should have gotten extra small in these because they make them short and then they are giving an extreme wedgie. TMI, but also it's an important point. So I'm probably not going to do this up throughout the day because I'm not trying to get wedgied 24/7. This basic can be layered with so many pieces, which is why I'm obsessed with it. And then it's just like a baby pink, which I love as well. So we have another bodysuit, and this is just an example that they are not all made the same. It's supposed to be the same, exactly the same as the last one, but this one is a lot shorter, and I have my pants undone so that I can show you how short it actually is. And like, it is definitely gonna be giving us an extreme wedgie. But again, you can't exchange these bodysuits, and I ordered them online not knowing, because I had another one and it was extra, extra small and it was fine. So clearly they're not all made the same. And although they're stretchy, it's still gonna give a wedgie. So here's what it's like not done up, because I'm not trying to have a wedgie my whole day. And it's really cute though. The color's cute. The fit elsewhere is really good. It's quite tight, which I like because you want these ones to be kind of contouring. Okay, here is a cropped version of the long sleeve. It is so cute. I love how this one fits. It's perfect. And the fact that it's cropped so you don't have to deal with the wedgie situation is so good. And just look at how it just hugs everything. I don't know, I just love these basics. I just needed some new basics that I was gonna be wearing a lot, and I could definitely see myself wearing this color quite often. Okay guys, I am literally fighting for my life trying not to get these stained with makeup. Like, this try on haul with makeup on is really traumatic. If you know, you know. But anyway, here is a really, really cute, this is also from the Babaton line. And so it's that same stretchy material, and this is just giving it's like a really cute golf vibe, or I don't know, it's just, I don't know, I love it. You can like, it's kind of cleavagey, but I guess she's giving what she's meant to give. I could see myself wearing this a lot just with blue jeans, or you could dress it up. I could wear it with a tennis skirt. Like, there's so many different options. Okay, so here is a different cut. This one is in opal gray. I think it's really pretty. It just adds a different kind of element of, like, with this different cut here, it's giving like a little bit of a sexy element. There's also these little things here. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it's cute, actually. This is my first time trying these things on, by the way, so that's why I'm like, do I like it? Do I not? And this one, for some reason, feels a little bit stretchier, like it's not as stiff. The blue one in particular was really stiff. It can be worn with dress pants like I styled it with, and you could style it down with jeans. Okay, this one I am a huge fan of the color. I cut off the tag, so I have to double check on my order to let you know the color. But the square neck, it's kind of falling off on the shoulders. I don't know if that's because the top is too small. The extra, extra small thing is happening yet again. But this one it's a little bit more stiff than the last one. I think the last one was the stretchiest. Check out the color. Again, you could dress it up and you could dress it down. Like, I just love these as basics. Here is the next shirt. I have just fallen in love with this cut, and when I saw it on sale, I was like, yeah, I'm picking it up immediately. I already have it in like a white cream kind of shade, and it's so pretty. This needs to be ironed, but I've actually worn this outfit like together out already. So cute. So if you notice one thing about me, it's that if I like it, then I will most likely pick it up in another shade. If you know the TikTok sound, you know the TikTok sound. Okay, this one in the baby pink is probably my favorite thing that I purchased. I don't know, that's a bold claim, but look how pretty it is. I'm such a baby pink girl. As you can see, even based in my room, there's little pops of the dusty rose, but I am loving this. It's so pretty, it's soft. I feel like a princess wearing it. And yeah, hence why I have it in multiple colors. Okay, so we also have this dress. Keep in mind, it is completely see-through. So if you're wearing polka dot underwear like me and you go out, then everyone else will know it. So definitely wear something underneath this. This last week, and I wore some like shapewear shorts that were nude and a nude bra, and it was good to go. But this is really cute. So of course I had to pick it up in another color. Here it is in a chocolate brown. It is so pretty. I think it's working really nicely on my skin tone. I'm just put on some random heels just to give you guys an idea of how it would look. It is honestly so cute. It's form-fitting. It's flattering because it's not really enhancing anything bad. And you can adjust how low you want to do this. Like, it can actually be pretty conservative if you buttoned it all the way. It really depends on what style you were going for. And yeah, it's really cute. So yeah, guys, that is it. And that's it, guys. That concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and link my most recent tutorial right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe because I post every single Sunday. I will see you guys next week. Bye.